Apple just posted its best June quarter ever, and the stock fell 8% after the bell. Records everywhere, and Wall Street still hit the sell button. Meta beat on revenue, but free cash flow collapsed 91%. I'm Lena, let's unpack the earnings that just landed. Apple pulled in $109.4 billion in fiscal Q3 revenue. That is up 16% year over year, a record for the June quarter. Diluted EPS printed $2.02, up 29% and above the 1.89 consensus. But 11 cents of that came from a one-time tariff refund tailwind. Gross margin hit 50.1%, inflated about 2 points by those refunds. Strip that out and the true run rate is closer to 48%. Services was the rare miss, $30.7 billion versus $31.2 expected. And the guidance is what really stung. Q4 revenue growth of just 9 to 11%. That is below the 12% consensus, and Apple flags supply constraints. Meta topped its top line at $60.8 billion, up 28% year over year. But costs jumped 55%, and GAAP EPS missed by 14%. Diluted EPS printed $6.18 against $7.22 expected. That snaps a 6-quarter streak of earnings beats. The culprit is the AI capex bill. Free cash flow crashed 91%. Zuckerberg is spending the growth to buy compute. Over in Seoul, Samsung Electronics confirmed 171.5 trillion won in Q2 revenue. Operating profit hit 89.5 trillion won, up 1,817% year over year. Both figures are all-time company records. The chip division did nearly all of it, 89.2 trillion won of profit at a 70% margin. But smartphones posted a 700 billion won operating loss. That is Samsung's first mobile loss since 2011. Samsung also said HBM4 shipments will exceed its earlier guidance. Intercontinental Exchange agreed to buy MarketAxess for $6 billion. The price is $167 per share in cash, a 33% premium. ICE is betting the NYSE Playbook can consolidate the $145 trillion bond market. Quick hits, Mastercard revenue climbed 14% to $9.3 billion. Philip Morris posted a 40.5% operating margin, its highest in 5 quarters. Airbnb net income was capped at $160 million as its tax rate jumped to 43%. And Verizon's asset-light fiber push landed $1.5 billion from Bain and Tillman. Watch tomorrow's open for Apple's supply constraint warning to ripple through Asian chip suppliers. For the full teardown of tonight's earnings, head to LineVestNews.com and subscribe to LineVest Daily for tomorrow's open.